Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another video. Finally, the Sulev E90 3 Series is complete. I'm sure you guys remember what this car looked like. Far from what it looks like today. Car came with the basic grills on the front, no front lips, the splitters on the front. So much damage to the front bumper, excuse me. Look how beautiful. 335 staggered wheels, done in a custom gunmetal with a flake in it. Hard to pick up on camera. Brand new center caps, brand new brakes, Akebono pads. It is an X-Drive, it's a sports package. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. What a transformation, guys. Just want you guys to take a look. See how clean. Again, sports package, you get these thigh bolsters. They extend. Had the wood grain in here. Upgraded that. Alcantara shifter surround. Nice phone mount. That's a reflection, guys, over there. That's what that is. Sports paddles. Again, heated steering wheel. Red push button start. Back seats, typical. They look perfect. Titanium silver metallic paint. Got your rear climate control there. Again, the trim is all done all throughout. Like I said, I took my time on it. I did the trim myself, as you can see there. We got the M pedals, basically the upgraded pedals from BMW. Clean headliner. Again, they are staggered, like I said. These are Michelin Pilot Super Sports, and I believe the rears are, what are they? Yeah, 245 35s. The front are 225 40s, and these are 18s. I believe 18 by 8, 18 by 8.5. Look at that. This is the LCI, which means Life Cycle Impulse, which gave you much nicer front grills, hood, tail lights, and some interior updates. Again, if you guys recall, this rear bumper was destroyed. I want to give a shout out to my guy, Kevin. Fine line, always hooking me up, taking care of business, boy. Look at that. Sorry, just washed it. I just want to remind you guys, it was a damn hole in the back bumper there. It's gone. My man did a phenomenal job as usual. Look at that color match. Now this car is getting sold to a close friend of mine's cousin. Let me zoom out here. Ooh, you see that fire orange in the background. Look how beautiful this car looks. No accidents, clean Carfax. Let me pop the hood so you guys can see what's going on. Yeah, this titanium paint is glistening. Also want to give a shout out to my guy Kevin. He also took care of the headlights. As you guys saw, I started, he finished it. Look at that. Look at that reflection. You can see the X3 M40 in the reflection there. Crystal clear. Again, took care of business. Took care of business on the splitters as well. My guy, painting guru. And I'm sure you guys recall. Look at this leaf. That's what you guys gotta do. See this? Don't leave this crap. Get it out. Get out of here. Anyways, extremely rare, full carbon fiber. It's not the valve cover, but it's basically the plastic cover that goes over the valve cover itself. But it is full carbon. Also did the Burger Motorsport cabin air filter upgrade. Again, this is a SULEV, which means it has a 15-year, 150,000 mile warranty to whoever the registered owner is. Other than that, car is all stock. Again, this is a sports package. You got cold weather package, which gives you the heated seats, heated steering wheel. This does have navigation. I color match the side markers as well for me. Bless me as usual. Want to give you guys to walk around, see how it ended up. Let me know what you guys think. Go back in my other videos and I want you guys to see this came with the little 17s on it. Ugly, just sad looking, but it was an older couple's vehicle. No accidents on it. Believe I'm the second or third owner. I gotta check the Carfax, but it is clean. Where are you gonna find a car that's 12, 13 years old, that's all-wheel drive, 130,000 miles on it, that looks this good, with a warranty from the factory? This car got like another 18,000 miles or a few years, and there's no deductible or anything. Anything that causes the service engine light to come on, you're covered. Hooked it up with the grills, black kidneys and gloss. And again, brand new battery in the trunk, which you can't see. Brand new front brakes and rotors, Akebono. Same in the rear, Akebono. Pads and rotors. I mean, high drive dial. Updated that. Let me come back in here. Again, no more nasty wood. Pause. Dakota black leather. This is not Sensitech, guys, which is basically, Sensitech is pleather. This has the black Dakota leather with the contrasting stitch on it. Gorgeous. Heated seats, dual zone climate, AC works. That heated steering wheel, you see that right there, that button, red stop start. Again, you got nav, you got the iDrive there. I updated the iDrive button to one of the newer ones. I mean, this car is ready to rock. You're not gonna find a better car in this price range. Oh, you guys are probably wondering. Find me another E90 that is a 3 Series that works. And push it in all the way. That's why I popped out. Sunroof works. Everything works, guys. Got that heavy steering with the sports package. Gives you these nice shift paddles. You got Bluetooth. That's another thing. I even hooked it up with the nice Bluetooth for the audio stream. You got that. Beautiful. Show you guys something cool. Show you guys something cool right here. Show you guys something cool right here. Check this out. Bring it down here. This is the original window sticker, my friends. Original window sticker, my friends. 2010, 328. Base price $35,000. Look at that. You got premium package. Gave you guys. Actually, no. Let me do it like this. Titanium silver. Cost you. Was not free. Black Dakota leather. Premium pack. You got the garage door opener. Digital compass mirror. Moonroof power front seats. Lumbar support. Bluetooth. You got the sport pack, which I actually upgraded the wheels. Sport steering with shift paddles, sport seats, shadowline exterior, and the value pack, which was the heated front seats, iPod USB adapter. You got the all-wheel drive. The trans was an extra $13.75. Heated steering wheel. Look at that. Xenon headlights, adaptive lights. I mean, nav 2100. There's your MPGs, highway and city. Final assembly point, Munich, Germany. Your total price, not including tax, roughly 46 G's. And this car was delivered to Hassel BMW in Freeport, New York. That's where it originated. Here's the VIN. Just wanted to show you guys. Look, so got the original, got all the books, everything here. just passed New York State inspection. Of course it did. Why wouldn't it? This car is on point, guys. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Man, this car is nice. Shout out to the Fire Orange F8M3. Look at that. Factory wide body. Drooling. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Much love. Auto Fanatic CT signing out. Not sure if you'll ever see this car again. It's going to the happy new owner.